It is 7 September 2023 and today Falcon has released 180 billion parameter model of their large language model collection. According to them, they have trained this model on 3.5 trillion tokens. According to the leaderboard scores, it is competing edge to edge with the latest Palm 2 model of Google. They also say it is pretty comparable with GPT 3.5. And for training, they have spent 7 million GPU hours. So you can see how much cost they have put on training this model. They have used 3% of small code fraction. For 85% of data was contained of RefinedWeb dataset. They have also provided the link to the page they have used to create this dataset. They have also included conversation, technical paper, and just small fraction of code, as I already told. So this is some metric they are showing on Hugging Face leaderboard, and according to them, you can already see it is competing edge to edge with Palm 2 large model. Of course, on consumer side, on us side, we can't use it as it is on our GPUs. So as you see, the hardware requirement for their Falcon 180 billion for even inference with 4-bit quantized model, you require at least 320 gigabyte of memory. So here they have given you the example, you require 8 140 GB GPUs. For training, you already see it require 5000 GB of memory, and you can see other metrics over here. They have provided the prompt format. So system prompt is optional over here for now. They just give a user prompt and you give a Falcon output will be over here. They have given you a quick code how you can try to use it, which is pretty similar if you are familiar with the Hugging Face using the auto tokenizer or auto model for language modeling. I came across this Reddit, which is very popular subreddit, which is Local Llama, and on this I saw this post. They have provided very good small summary of this blog post, which I have just shown you. I will leave the link to both of them in down description. Now let's see how you can run this Falcon 180 billion on your device, on your phone, or maybe on your laptop. This will be available via a website online service. So obviously running it locally would require a lot of resources. I don't think like an average consumer will going to be able to run this. So anyways, let's try to ask some things related to coding and see how it performs. First, I would like to ask it how I can change the button color of image UI, dear image UI. Let's just submit and see if it could answer that. That would be very specific related to C++. Yeah, looks good. We can push the style color. So I have gone through the documentation real quick and looks good. It have given a right answer. Now let's try asking how I can create a simple chatbot using Dialogflow and Python Fast API. Let's see what it responds with. Currently there is a limit on the output token. Let's see the additional input. Yeah, here I can increase it, max new tokens. Let's try to ask it once again. Anyways, looks good. Like I guess it is pretty useful as for now. Let's just try asking how I can integrate this with WhatsApp. Like I literally don't know anything about it right now, so it will be new to me. Yeah, I know about Twilio. I can use Twilio for integration, so it is giving right response for now. It is using webhook. Yeah, I guess it is fine. I can just follow it. Let's just stop it. What else can we ask it? Let's try asking something else, not related to coding this time. Let's ask about maybe stock. What is stock? What is NSE and BSE in India? Stock is a share of ownership in a company that represents a portion of. Anyways, I'm just going to play with this over here. The main purpose of this video was to let you know that Falcon 180 billion is out now. You can try it out going to this link, which will be in down description. Just play with it. And it's pretty good. I can already say it is pretty comparable with GPT 3.5. I would assume like GPT 3.5 would also given a little similar results to this. It is able to write code. I guess the code is error free for now, top level view if I could say. Anyways, we'll end this video. Hope you would enjoy playing with Falcon 180 billion. It's amazing. Just try it out.